Hi everyone, welcome to Kalia Footwear YouTube channel. Today, I shall be taking you through the process of making covered pattern for high heel women. The first step is to tape our solar strand as you are seeing on your screen. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kalia Footwear. After we've properly taped our solars, the next thing to do is to bring out our pencil
tape our solar, then we measure
and our tape rule.
6 centimeter.
We measure from
that
the
edge to that
tone
point,
to that edge
and from
6
that 6
centimeter, and from
to
that
this
6
point again,
centimeter
8
to
centimeter
that edge
with our tape
is
rule.
8
And after
centimeter.
that,
You will mark
take
within
out
the 6
our
centimeter and 8
to mark a
centimeter,
straight line over there, as you can see on your screen.
and
And
from
this
that point
point
as well to this point is
11 centimeter
11
will also be measured
centimeter.
with our tape
Can
rule,
you see? So
where
then
we
you
trace the mark
trace
points with our pencil
with pencil
in
how you
this
want your
direction,
pattern
as you're seeing on
to
your
become.
screen.
This particular side has to be in straight line. That's the reason why we make use of our ruler. Then you continue tracing
by
with your
retracing
pencil,
it with the pencil.
drawing with our pencil.
And
After we have our
traced,
perfect
bring out
covered pattern draw one side on our solars, then we will bring out
the next thing is
our
to bring
cutter.
out our cutter.
Make sure your cutter is sharp.
Point
Then you
line
trace
with our blade, a cutter,
the mark
in the same
point
direction you are seeing on
with
the
your
screen.
cutter to cut it out as you are seeing
You have to cut
on your screen.
gently.
After we've cut it out, after we've cut everything, we've traced our pattern on the solars, then
And after that, we have to gently open our paper tape
on the pattern in this direction you are seeing.
Same direction you are seeing on your screen board.
By now we've prepared our cardboard.
We've already prepared
and
our
what we removed will be
paste it on our cardboard
based on the cardboard,
same direction
the way
on
I'm
your
doing it,
screen board,
and cut
that edge,
that point for proper pasting.
straight like that. Then
this will enable you to maintain the
like this.
drawed pattern shape.
Next thing is to take the ruler out.
You can see I'm making some little adjustments on the pattern. It is normal in the pattern making.
Back side of our pattern.
You mentioned add your lasting allowances. That's 2.5 centimeter. You add it to your pattern
in this direction. As well as lasting allowance,
and make some adjustments. Then fold the cardboard together, as you are seeing on your screen,
in the direction you are seeing on your screen,
like this.
After we folded,
bring out your scissors and cut
out our pattern
in the same
board
way you are seeing on your screen. And our pattern is ready for use. And
very simple.
The next
process
is to check
detailed
if there is any adjustment on your
pattern is
just made pattern or not
for use,
and this is what we produce with our pattern. Thanks for watching.
Isn't this lovely? Thanks.